Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University. Subject Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about our next topic, that is the panel discussion. So first, what is the definition of the panel discussion? A panel of experts is set up to discuss a topic that cannot be easily resolved by just one or two persons. This is the panel discussion. Then who take part in a panel discussion? There are three set of participants in a panel discussions. They are the panel member, who consist of expert field concerned, the audience of selected student, trainee, participant and teacher ask questions of the panelists, the moderators who initiate the discussion, question, synthesize and summarize the key points. The word panel means a group of experts. The discussion held among these expert members in front of an audience could be called panel discussion. The panel would change from subject to subject, but there would be an anchor person who would introduce the panelist, receive questions and distribute them to the panelist upon their specialization. The panel for a topic may include a child specialist, a child psychologist, a teacher, a educational administration. Then what topic can be taken up for the panel discussion? When the theme or topic tend to be complicated and controversial in nature, a panel discussion often help to clarify the issues. The difficult aspects of the topic are considered in a systematic and objective manner. How is a panel discussion set up? Experts in the field are invited as panelists. There is an invited audience of trainer and trainee or teacher and the students. Questions on the proposed topic are collected in advance from the audience and handed over to the panelist. Questions are generally classified according to the subtopic, aspect, dimension of the proposed theme. The panelists come prepared to the panel discussion. Then how is the panel discussion conducted? The moderator introduces the theme of the discussion to the participant. The moderator also initiates the discussion on the issue under consideration. The questions are then addressed to the panelists in a predetermined order. The panelists are called to express their views. Later, panel member may react to, respond to, or complement the view expressed by the co-panelist. At the end of the session, the moderator integrates and synthesizes the different points of view and present them to the audience. If there is time, the moderator can call for further questions. Finally, the moderator sum up the discussion and highlight the key points. Then what are the advantages of the panel discussion? First, it facilitates clarification on knotty issue. It highlights the multidimensionality of the issue under discussion. It helps to develop critical thinking in both panelists and the audience. It fosters logical thinking. It develops presentation skills. It teaches students to think of the issue under consideration and ask the relevant questions. This is all about the topic, that is the panel discussion. This session is powered by digital version 2.0. 0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session, and if you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.